we got this fixie right here. Bought this from my friend Ariel for $250. So far, we've changed out the stem. Got the nice little cap on there. Changed out the stem, handlebars, grips. Add this little bag. Pedals, red and white. This side is black and white. This side is red and black. What else? A little clamp. A little seat. But yeah, so we're building this whole bike out. We're gonna take it apart soon. We're gonna paint it. It's fun to do. Cool shit. Cool. That one's off. So it's pretty snug. I'm gonna back this out all the way, to be honest. I like backing out all the way. Just going through and clean this bottom bracket before I go and try and take it off. Make sure you don't lose that O-ring. Let's see what we got. First, oh, so sick, dude. That's amazing. Ooh. Jesus. Okay. These are gonna be so sick. Holy shit. These parts ready to go. We got all the paint for priming, flake, white and black. We got the chain. It's pretty much all the parts we need. We're just waiting on the bottom bracket, tires, spokes, and that's it. But we got pretty much everything to put this bike back together. Just growing, just motivating, trying to keep pushing. These builds are like super exciting to take. I cannot tell you how many hours I've sat and just looked at this frame. This is the first time I've taken it apart, but just looked at it, just staring at it, thinking, what am I gonna paint it? What color am I gonna paint it? What color scheme? How am I gonna do it? Oh, sorry for just blabbering on, but I'm looking forward to it. Shout out my boy Aaron out in San Diego, give me this painting. Love it. It's awesome. He gave me these too. Super sick. All right, guys, I just pulled up to Blast Tech. Super good deals on getting it sandblasted. They did an awesome job. This is Todd over here.
Actually, it's baking soda.
Baking soda. That frame looks so good, dude.
After being chemically used.
That looks so much better. I appreciate it, bro. Thanks for doing it for me.
Happy to do it.
Sweet. Yeah, so come check them out, guys. If you ever need anything blasted, they do a great job. It's super friendly, really quick. They got it done faster than I expected, so just come check them out.
John.
John,
It's smooth.
What up, guys? It is a beautiful day out here. It's warm enough, and we're gonna be painting the frame. So this fixie build should be done here in probably next couple of days. So let's get this thing going. Sweet.
Become a piece of the My Rewards member to earn points toward free pizza. Here's how it works. You earn 10 points for every order of $10 or more. Once you earn 60 points, you can redeem for a free pizza. Order and join.
I know it's tight, but I like it a little tight. Dude, thank you, brother. Dude, I'm so happy it's done. Check out the crank side. So happy. She rides smooth. If you ever want to ride her, let me know.